Yo, as you can see, everywhere is bling bling. You can see, you can smell, and you can feel it. Christmas is coming. Ah. Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing of Fish. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox the new TPOB Troll Blackout. You asked for it, and now you got it. But this is the older version. People were complaining it doesn't have a charging stand, so now you got it. And this time comes out with a combo, a bundle, and it's not green anymore. It is total blackout with a charging stand. So now let's open it up, man, and see what's inside. All right. So inside, it is like this. First of all, let me read the specs. So it is the same. Got the same specs like the older version, I guess. Got 240 minutes operating time, I guess both of them. And the trimmer comes with a cycle blade with a super torque motor, also both of them. And the clipper comes with an exographene blade. Okay, I guess that's it. And wait a moment, let me see. Okay, the trimmer got 7,000 RPM, and the clipper got 6,800 RPM. Okay. See, you can buy this combo from Amazon US and also from TPOB website. So if you're on TPOB website and you want to help this channel, you can use my discount code ADO15 and get 15% off. So now let's bring everything out. Okay, the trimmer looks like this. See, okay, and this is the charging dock. Inside, so it's really fit. It is very deep. It is deep. Let's see. Okay, now. And the clipper look like this. Total blackout. The black color here is a little bit different from the black color on the body. I don't know if maybe you can see it good. So the trimmer, the same. It is the same. Okay. So everything the same, just like the older version. Comes with an exo blade, also with a clicking lever, bait blade. Yeah. Okay, now and the clipper. So this is the charging dock for the clipper. Like this end. So inside, so the manual of them. Okay, The guards are different. It's a little bit different. Okay, this is interesting because okay, this one is more stronger than the older version. I guess this one is better than the older version. So see if it fits. Oh, this one is good. Okay. How many guards this comes? It comes with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guards. Comes with a 6 guard combs, which is good. Okay. And you got this thing to adjust the trimmer blade. Okay. A little brush. And the cable. Okay, I guess you can use this cable to charge both of them. Okay, that's it. So that's it for the unboxing of this TPOB Troll Blackout. And Christmas is coming. Alright. Peace, man.